Acquire with the web crawler pre-search. $10 everyday pre-search is the Google of the cryptographic money world. This web crawler is based on the blockchain, in which all current web search tools are underlying, and it pays for each utilization with its tokens. That is, you essentially enter the question you are keen on. You are promptly moved to your web index that you decide. For instance, Google. And after each solicitation, you will get tokens. This token is as of now exchanged on the CoinMarketCap trades. Hot tubs. CoinMarketCap. Common Area Standards pre-search the venture accomplices incorporate such monsters as KuCoin, Uniswap, Probit, CoinGecko, etc. Join after enrollment. We quickly get 25 pre-tokens. 2. After you have enrolled, you will be approached to take a visit through their site and look into every one of the elements. We encourage you to do this with the goal that later on, there will be no superfluous inquiries. 3. Then go to the web crawler itself, and each time you really want to track down something on the web, go to this web index, and on second thought of your standard web search tool, enter the important inquiries there. You can make up to 30 paid demands each day. In particular, in the settings, set your typical web crawler as really important. For instance, Google. Then at that point, literally nothing will change for you. The base withdrawal sum is 1,000 praeim, just a text, based A, and not able to subscribe or comment on YouTube channels. However, I can offer you tips on how to encourage viewers to subscribe and comment on your channel, if that's what you're looking for.